Hello YouTube, back again with another video. Today we got the Rancho RS5000 for my work truck. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, this is the box. I ordered from eBay. Let's see if we could do an unboxing. Let's take it apart. Alright guys, let's see here. I actually ordered the RS5000 and it seems like this is a universal box. Looks like RS7000 performance shock absorber. Let's see if I can put it closer to you guys. Says shock absorber boots included, armored, or this is, yeah, this is in Spanish. Suspension shocks. See here, it says features a 10-stage velocity sensitive valving, 5/8 inch 16mm diameter piston rod, 1 3/8 35mm diameter piston, protective boot included. That's Spanish, other languages. This is the one I got, the RS. Let's see if I can close it up to you guys. Excuse the noise of my chair. My chair makes some funny noises. So just to let you guys know, we got the RS5000. That's the one I got, and that's the RS7000 MT. So that's more for like your performance or off-road use. This is just for my work truck. It's for my Ford Ranger work truck. So this is just gonna be the basic model that they have, the more comfortable, you could say. Still off-road, but more comfortable model. And this is more for like the racing or off-road, heavy off-road use. And at the end of the box, see if we can, if you guys can see it. See if you guys could see it better. We got, I guess, the model number RS5222. It says non-gas unit, made in the USA, P1276R1. P8276R1. So that is the part number for this. And then again, these are fairly small. These are for a Ford Ranger. So I will probably be upgrading my. Be upgrading my Chevy Silverado, my personal vehicle too. But for now, we're just gonna be doing the Ford Ranger, because what happened is on my my tires, they were. Actually, they were not, the thread is not even, so somehow it's bouncing. And what I read online, from my previous trucks that I had, usually when the shocks go bad, when they don't have enough strength to keep the tire down, they'll bounce up and down, and your threads on the sides will go uneven, like one up, one down, one up, one down. That's usually how I go. I'll see if I can show you guys a picture of that or a clip. So yeah, like I said, these are fairly small. These are for a Ford Ranger. zip tie. And that's the boot, I guess. So this is what comes in the box, basically. You get some grommets here, some bushings, and for the shocks, for the top on this little bag. There's a part number. I'm gonna go over that. Then get a zip tie, I guess, maybe for a brake line or something that you have to take apart. And here's the boot, high quality boots. Seems to be pretty high quality. On the first set of shocks that I bought for my first truck, they didn't come with the boot. I get this; these do come with the boot. So, and then you get your Rancho decal right there. You could either put this on the windshield or something, or you could put it on the shock. I just like to put it on the shock, just in case somebody else looks at the truck. You know, you can see what brand they are, or see if they're worth keeping or not. You know, in case the truck ever gets sold. Here we got the shock itself. It's pretty much okay. You know, you can see that it's roughly painted there. You know, there's a few mispaints or two-tone paint there. You know, but who cares? You know, who cares about that? You know, we're not gonna be looking at the shock under the bottom, but most of it's, you know, fairly white paint, and it's engraved here RS5222 Rancho, made in the USA. Install this at the end down, so this part's down, and it says part number 274 M2B. Guess that's it. Looks pretty good. I guess I'm not gonna mess with this until we install it, because my brother's gonna be helping me install this. We're both gonna be doing that, because I got a problem with my jack, and I don't have a jack that works, or at least a jack that I trust that works. So I'm gonna be going over to his house, and we're gonna be doing this and installing these. So anyways, now this is just my quick unboxing video for the Rancho shocks. I'm gonna put all the parts here so you guys can see it. And there's all the parts that come in the box from the Rancho. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell,